How to turn on or off sensitive content on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off sensitive content on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app. Then next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then click on settings. On the next menu, tap on account, and then about halfway down you'll see sensitive content control. Tap on that option, and as you can see here it says control how much sensitive content you see from accounts you don't follow. Sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines but refers to topics some people don't want to see, such as certain violence or drugs. So you can choose how much sensitive content to see. If you tap on more, you might see more sensitive content. It will then tell you about this option and ask you to confirm. So tap on confirm if you're happy with that. Or if you want to see less sensitive content, tap on that and again read through the options and tap on confirm. But if you're happy with just the standard level of sensitive content that Instagram sets as default, leave it as it is. And that's all it takes to turn on or off sensitive content on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.